Okay, Alpicool, your fridges are amazing, but there's going to be a but here, I'm afraid. You can probably see it if I squeeze around. I'm in my van. Look. Now on some fridges I have noticed that in this tray area here, some of them have like a trapdoor which you can open up that way. I'm going to cut these two out. I know I shouldn't be doing it, but I can't get my bottles, I can't get a milk in there. And you know what happens when you open a milk up? You lay it down and it bloody leaks and it stinks. I ain't doing that. I've got Lucozade as well, a lot of Vimto for the grandkids as well as us. But I need somewhere to stand, so if I take these two out, that's going to give me enough room for the bottle and the Vimto and probably a white wine. We'll see. I can't do it while holding the camera, so I'm just going to snip it and see how strong it is. Got me trusty big pliers. I'll come back in a sec. Sorry Alpicool, but you know, make it like a little trapdoor. Gunk gunk. How could you do that? I've got one on my other fridge. I'll have a look and I'm going to send you a link. How's that then? See, my other fridge won't fit that. Don't think it will anyway, but we'll have a look. I'm going to cut this anyway because we're here now. Oh, not good with my left hand. So my right hand's like. Stop recording. That's simple. Just cut two out. Just leave two out. I'm going to file them off when I get home and I'll put a little tiny bit of paint on so they don't rust. But yeah, I mean, you know, two little bars, that's all you got to do, and we can get the milk and the ladies can have their white wine. I like my red wine, but there you go. So anyway, but other than that, what a great bit of kit and so economical. There we go, just thought I'd do a quick update on the van and the fridge. And we're here in the woods. We're in the woods and it's a beautiful day, a little bit cloudy, but it's lovely. Okay, so like I said, I've got an Alpicool fridge. I'm just going to quick update here. So on the bottom of my old fridge, this one here needs a bit of a clean, by the way. Well, it's been sitting in the garage a while now. It's got a bottom base where you can put all the bottles, and where I said on the Alpicool fridge, look, what a cracking idea. I mean, it'll actually come off, I think, if I wanted to, because it's a bit awkward. But look, so you can put stuff in, whereas in the Alpicool fridge you can't put anything. Can't stand a bottle up anywhere. Okay guys, I just thought I'd give you a thumbs up or a heads up on that. Not thumbs up, but heads up. Either put a door in the bottom, which you can't because you've got a very big base where you can put all your stuff, which is great, on the big fridge. Let me show you. Yeah. So, get that out of the way. Look how shiny she is. You see, so you can't really put a bottom drawer on that. I mean, you could, yeah, no. So this is really good because it's a really deep fridge, which I love. You can, the amount of stuff we can put in here, and the freezer is great. But you see what I mean? If you just put a bit of a trapdoor, that would be great. There you go. All right, if anybody's watching, that's what I did with mine. Cut two pins out, and that gives me a bottle to stand up, especially milk. Take care, we'll catch you in the next one.